In front of me is Motorola Signature, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. All you need to do is hold your search bar and wait for remove option to show. When it does, drag your search bar on top of it, and when you see that the widget turned see-through, let go. As you can see, after a few seconds, my search bar was successfully deleted. Now, if you wanna restore it, hold your display and tap on Widgets at the bottom left corner. Then look for Google app, click on it, scroll to select search bar, hold it, and drag it to the proper place. When you're ready, let go and tap on home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!